Lift irrigation schemes have played an important role in transforming the crop cultivation in the Krishna Valley of the western Maharashtra. These schemes have raised the productivity of sugarcane crop through assured irrigation. The Mahadev Cooperative Water Supply Scheme Limited, Gotkhindi, is one such registered lift irrigation society of farmers since 1987 and is running successfully. Almost 300 farmers are beneficiary of the scheme. The water is lifted from the Krishna River using two pump sets of 75 HP each to irrigate the area of 600 acres. But in the recent years, there was a great concern for the farmers. The productivity of the sugarcane crop was declining rapidly. Intensive sugarcane farming, excessive irrigation by furrow method coupled with imbalanced use of fertilizers amounted to increasing levels of soil salinity in once fertile and prosperous sugarcane belt of western Maharashtra. Also, per acre yield saw a decline in recent years due to inadequate supply of water in the peak water requirement stage of the crop. The reason being the availability of power in summer season for few hours only, 6 hours in a day, a result of reduced pumping activity of water from the river. The situation was grim, not so encouraging to hard-working and very enterprising farmers of Mahadev Cooperative Irrigation Society.
जोपर्यंत लोड शेडिंगचा प्रॉब्लेम नव्हता तो पण पाटपाण्याची पद्धती ही चांगल्या प्रकारे चालू होती. यानंतर एमएससीबी कडून लोड शेडिंगचा प्रॉब्लेम इतका जबरदस्त झाला की फेब्रुवारी ते मे एंड पर्यंत एवढा पिकांना पाणी कमी मिळायला लागलं, पाणी फेर वाढायला लागला.
The average pH of the soils in the command area was 8.39, quite alarming. 10% of soils were already out of cultivation due to salt accumulation. If current method of irrigation were to be continued for next couple of years, remaining soils may also have got out of cultivation. Earlier, individual farmers in the village had adopted drip for their crops and were aware of the benefits of the drip irrigation. But to implement drip irrigation scheme on a large scale was a great challenge, as it needed technical expertise and know-how. The farmers were left with no option but to adopt drip irrigation on the existing lift irrigation scheme and approach Netafim. Netafim took up this challenge, conducted in-depth study to help farmers overcome the tough challenge. The aim was not only to help the farmers through modern micro-irrigation and fertigation systems, but also to change the mindset about making agriculture more efficient, economical, competitive, and thinking on commercial lines. After several rounds of meeting between the beneficiary farmers, bank officials and Netafim management, the project proposal saw the light of the day.
आणि असा निर्णय घेतला की महादेव सहकारी पाणी पुरवठा संस्था ही ठिबक खाली आणली पाहिजे. जीपीआरएस या अत्याधुनिक सिस्टीमद्वारे सर्व संस्थेचा सॅटेलाइट सर्वे 2 दिवसातच पूर्ण केला. नेटाफिम कंपनीने अतिशय चांगल्या प्रकारचा दर्जेदार डिझाइन केला.
Finally, on 20th December 2010, it was officially inaugurated in the presence of influential political personalities, government, bank, and sugar factory officials. It is first of its kind community irrigation project in India, undertaken on 600 acres area with state-of-the-art automation technology by Netafim. The objective was to augment crop production on sustainable basis through efficient utilization of available water resource. The 600-acre area is divided into 4 irrigation blocks of 150 acres each. The filtration unit is of 24 gravel filters of 40,000 litres per hour each and equal number of disc filters with a pumping station. The water pumped and lifted from the river is collected and distributed through the main distribution tank in the 4 irrigation blocks. The total water flow through the system is near to 180,000 litres per hour. The irrigation design is meticulously planned so as to irrigate big area in one single shift. Adequate care is taken to maintain uniformity of discharge using technically superior pressure-compensated dripper lines. The DripNet PC dripper lines relatively run on longer distances with 1 liter discharge per hour, with dripper spaced at 0.40 meter for the crop. Irrigation automation is very important component in this project, and it has got patronage of the Department of Horticulture, Government of Maharashtra through additional subsidy along with the drip system components. The water audit and flow of water for each shift is registered throughout the year, making sure there is equitable distribution of water to every beneficiary farmer under the project. The Irrigation system, also known as fertigation kit, will ensure the supply of nutrients incrementally according to the crop developmental phases. Throughout the season, it helps to ensure the actual nutrition requirements of the crop. The SMS alert notifies the individual farmer about each irrigation shift. The whole irrigation system is managed efficiently through very simple, customized operations and user-friendly controllers. The irrigation program is customized to suit the needs of the project. The controllers keep the desired pressure in the main line for safe and efficient operation of irrigation system. Water meter provided at each head unit record the amount of water that is supplied to each shift. All the data of water distribution will be recorded in the computer. The controllers also ensure timely cleaning of media filter batteries along with secondary disc filtration for uninterrupted clean water flow in the irrigation system at the desired pressure. The new crop management practices induced with drip technology has significantly helped increase cane yields. With the coming of the scheme, the area of cultivation has gone up to 500 to 550 acres through improved water productivity with the same energy consumption. The average increase in the yield is around 30 to 40% for the sugarcane crop.
पूर्वीची परिस्थिती इतकी बेकार होती की 2-2 महिने पाणी मिळत नव्हतं आणि योजने आता चालू झाल्यानंतर आत्ताची परिस्थिती इतकी चांगली आहे की आता सध्या आम्हाला 4 तास पाणी भेटते. ड्रिपद्वारे 4 तास पाणी कंटिन्यू मिळते.
पूर्वी पाट पाण्याला 35 ते 40 टन ॲव्हरेज पडत होतं, तर आता ठिबक सिंचनामुळं ह्या एकरी 80 ते 85 टन ॲव्हरेज असं झालेलं आहे.
The farmers have once again started taking good yield on saline ravaged soils. Saline soils are now improved and replenished due to drip irrigation as the water logging effect is eliminated. Drip irrigation has provided the farmers the flexibility for opting diverse crop pattern, not possible earlier. They have begun taking less duration horticulture crops like vegetables. Optimum irrigation conditions are made available even in summer season for sensitive crops like grapes, capsicum and marigold. The project is a successful model appreciated by all the segments alike, farmers, policymakers and by the experts working in the field of irrigation management. Netafim will continue to lead the path in offering innovative drip irrigation solutions aimed at helping the farmers across the globe. It will continue to revolutionize agriculture in diverse climate types for range of crops with its smart irrigation method, thus living its promise. Ambitious yet simple, helping the world grow more with less.